online taxi booking industry is now the fastest growing industry. You want to also make your own application like Uber, Ola, InDrive, Rapido, and launch in your city? No worries, we are here to help you. You can now launch your own advanced taxi application like Uber, Ola, and Drive. People can book, driver can accept and join by commission or subscription, and you earn commission on each booking. In today's video, we are going to help you to understand how a customer can book also from our website. Yes, in our latest version, a customer can book a ride from the website also. So you get a website like this where the customer can book a booking. You also get an application like this where the customer can book his bike, taxi, auto or any vehicle he wants to book. The driver can accept the booking and complete. In today's video, we are going to show you the complete workflow of how a customer can make a booking by the website, how the driver can accept that booking and complete the booking. So watch this video till the end. If you want to make your own app like Uber, Ola, InDrive, Rapido, or if you are planning to start your online taxi business in future where people can book your taxis on the website and application, then this video you must watch, a must watch video. So kindly watch it till the end and understand the complete workflow. If you want to make your own taxi application, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, and let's start to understand how a customer can book a taxi by using the website and driver can complete. Hi everyone, today we are showing how a customer can book a taxi on the taxi latest version website and how a driver can accept. So this is the customer website where the customer can make a taxi booking, and this is the driver app where the driver can accept the taxi. So now we are showing how a customer can make a booking by using the website also. Remember, in this combo you get an application also for customer. For that you can watch our other videos, but in this video we are going to explain how the customer can make a booking by the website and how a driver can accept this booking. So let's get started. So I choose to book right now or later. So let's say I click on instant booking. That means I want to book this taxi right now. I want to book taxi or courier. Our application is having taxi plus courier both features. Right now I want to book a taxi. Now choose your pickup location. Now I can write my pickup location like this. Now you can see once I enter the pickup location, it is automatically taking the map. You can see this. And now I choose my drop location. So you can see it is automatically creating a map between the pickup location and drop location, and it's also showing a car is starting from the pickup location Bharatpur and drop location Agra it's going. Okay, and now we can see, we can zoom in, we can zoom out, all is working fine in this. Okay, and now we can see here available vehicles like car or bike. So there's a car, there's a bike. I want to book a car. I choose the car vehicle and I click on make booking. And that is how a customer can successfully make a booking. And that is how a driver will get loud alarm notification whenever there's a new booking. So that is how a driver can see the booking. The driver can see the customer detail and all. And now the driver click on slide to accept the booking. And that is how a driver can accept the booking. And now you are on the booking. You can see the customer pickup location, drop location. You can call or chat with the customer. You can see the live map and much more. And you can also click on arrived. In the customer panel, we can see our ride has been accepted. This is our ride OTP, pickup location, drop location, trip status and much more. And now the driver will click on arrived. And that is how the driver has arrived to the customer location. And now arrived waiting for customer. The driver is waiting for customer. If you want to apply any waiting charges that can be applied here. You can see the average fare, and now the driver will start the ride. And now the driver will ask this OTP coming in the customer plan panel and enter it. So now enter this OTP.
Your ride has started.
And that is how the
And happy journey.
system is telling the ride has started, and now you are on the trip. You can track the trip, and now the trip will be ended by the driver like this. And that is how a customer can make a booking by website also. The driver can accept it, and the driver can complete the bookings. And that is how the complete taxi booking is working in the application. You can see the base fare, convenience fee, taxes, and much more. And now click on payment received, as it's a cash on delivery booking. The customer can do by cash or online payment, give a 5-star rating. And that is how the website booking is working in our latest taxi app. If you want to make your own taxi website and application, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you and make your own taxi app today. For more, kindly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Tronics, making world online.